How to fix Instagram page is not available right now issue. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, whether you have stable internet connection or not. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a first restart to your router and then rezone it. Likewise, you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. With that, your problem might be fixed. Next up, you can check the server status of the Instagram. For that, launch your preferred browser and then head towards the website like Down Detector. Once you're on the website of Down Detector, in the search box type in Instagram and then search for it. If there are any outages, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. But you can see that user reports indicate no current problems at Instagram. So heading towards next solution, what you have to do is check for the update for the Instagram app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. In the search box, type in the app name Instagram and then search for it. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With that, your problem might be resolved. If none of these solutions work, what you need to do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Instagram app. Click on Remove App. Click on Delete App. Once you delete this app, launch your Play Store or App Store. Then search for the app Instagram and then download it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this way you can easily fix Instagram page is not available right now issue. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.